There is a world of desk accessories out there, but there is always something you can't buy, something tailored to your needs, liking, and budget. This is where 3D printing enters, at least in my desk setup. Since I got my first 3D printer last year, I've been slowly but surely improving my desk setup thanks to it. Hi, welcome to Made by Jade. In this video, I'll show you the best prints that completely change my desk, and I'll leave the links for all the available models in the description below. But in case you don't have a 3D printer yet, or if you would like to test some more difficult filaments, PCBWay has you covered. While they are best known for their PCB manufacturing, they also provide other services like high-quality 3D printing, so you can just upload your files in their website, choose the material, and have it professionally printed and shipped right to your door. They support SLA, SLS, and FDM printing with a large variety of filaments, from basic PLA to stronger engineering plastic, flexible filaments, clear resin, stainless steel, or even titanium. So head over to PCBWay's website through the link in the description and give it a go. And thank you so much, PCBWay, for sponsoring this video. Starting with the most hidden ones that live under my desk, right next to where I sit, I have a tiny drawer. And this is super useful to keep the cables to charge my devices. Currently, I need 3 different cables: USB-C to Apple Watch charger, USB-C to Lightning for the iPhone 13 mini, and USB-C to USB-C for everything else. When I need to charge a device, just take the cable I need and plug it in this strategically placed USB-C extender in my monitor's arm base. When nothing needs to be charged, the cables are stored right next to me. Or should I say, left next to me. This clears out my desk from cables and charging bricks. Another thing that I keep stored under my desk when not in use are my headphones. There are many beautiful headphone stands, but I don't have the space for them to be on top of the desk itself. Also, I prefer to keep them hidden and protected against bumps. This hook does the trick here. I have another pair of headphones that I use exclusively for work calls. These ones are wired to my work laptop, so it's easier to jump on a call. And when they are not in use, I can keep them at arm's reach on the side of the monitor thanks to this very thin hook. On the other side of the same monitor, another hook, this one for my glasses. But that is not all this monitor holds. Taking advantage of the Visa mount, I designed a laptop mount to free up a lot of surface in the desk. I've already shown the monitor laptop mounts I designed in another video, but I still have to mention it here, as it's still one of the prints that changed how I use the desk the most. It extends from the Visa mount to the top of the monitor, and it was designed to fit this cooling base that is still very useful during summer. The other monitor laptop mount was designed taking advantage that I could fully open the laptop. Placing it this way meant that the laptop screen was closer to me. It made the laptop screen more useful, but during hotter days, I really needed to use a cooling base to make the laptop useful. Maybe I should think of a design to incorporate both, placing the laptop vertically with active cooling. Maybe my next spring project. Recently, I picked up this 16-inch portable monitor to use both at home and on the go, but the stand it comes with, it's just this carrying pouch folded. No way I'm gonna keep this in my desk. So once again, taking advantage of the Visa mounts, I designed an adapter to use this multifunction arm mounting system from Rostap on MakerWorld. On the portable monitor side, the only mounting option it has is a 3/4 inch thread. I would prefer a different one, but well, this is what it came with. I got some 3/4 inch screws and designed this adapter. I'm also using this arm system for my video key light. By the way, I designed this key light as a very alternative to commercial filming lights. I can control it and automating using Home Assistant. If you're curious, you should definitely check the video in the cards. Continuing with the prints that help me film these videos, I don't have a proper desk tripod. I'm repurposing a monitor arm stand that was not being used. I designed this arms adapter and the Arca Swiss-like mount to be super easy to mount the phone or the camera. Here's another one to keep my HomePod Mini off the desk. I'm using the monitor arm itself to attach the microphone for videos or voiceovers, and again I designed another adapter that slides here and has a cool shoe mount, perfect for this microphone. And last but not least is the one that is always in front of me, this adorable Mac Mini case from Gerald Age on MakerWorld. He has amazing designs for the Mac Mini and even the Mac Studio. But this one was definitely my favorite. I printed it in Bamboo Lab Basic PLA in silver in December of last year, and it's still holding up great. And that's it for today. I hope you found some cool ideas of things to 3D print. As usual, I'll leave the links for all the available models in the description below. If you saw something in the video that you would like to print but didn't find a model, that's because I did it custom to my use case and didn't think anyone would want it. But let me know, I can develop it further and release the model. And consider subscribing for more DIY 3D printing and home assistant projects. And once again, thank you so much to PCBWay for sponsoring this video. Definitely check them out through the link in the description. Until next time, bye! Taking advantage of the Visa mount, I designed a laptop... Sério? Taking... Oh god. No, the bell. Okay. Taking it...